Hey family and friends, well yesterday I purchased the vehicle that will serve as my expedition vehicle for my epic 55-week North American road trip. If you missed my first video last week, let me bring you up to speed. My name is Scott, and in only 44 days, on my 55th birthday, I will embark on an epic 55-week road trip all across North America. And I want you to join me for the ride of a lifetime. So please subscribe by hitting the button in the lower right-hand corner of this screen. Also go to the description where you'll find links to Double Nickel Road Trip's other social media sites. Yesterday, I purchased a 2008 Lexus GX470 from Frontier Motors in Middletown, Ohio. I chose the GX470 because it's a lot like me, middle-aged, flawed, yet capable. In fact, the GX470, which is branded the Land Cruiser Prado outside of the North American market, is a veritable beast. Built on the same rugged platform and the same drivetrain as the Toyota 4Runner, it has most of the off-road features as the 4Runner, but wrapped in a luxurious package. I have less than 7 weeks to complete the build, and I will post weekly episodes on my progress, including a new Tesla-style media center, new suspension lift and tires, a front runner roof rack, storage and kitchen, and a rooftop tent. So plan on watching the transformation and join me for the ride of a lifetime.